Hey there guys, Andrew Baxter from Australian Investment Education, where we help you create your future wealth today. And an interesting start to today. Market's not open yet, and what we saw overnight was an earthquake in Japan. Many of you in Australia particularly will be aware of the New Zealand earthquake a couple of weeks ago, and we've just seen one of our neighbour in Japan. And terrible news that it is, and our thoughts go out to friends and family that are affected by that up there. But as a trader, something else to consider is that how do you join those dots between the news item and the ability to trade from that news and potentially create yourself a profit. And in doing this, joining those dots is really where the art of successful investing comes in. So let's take what's happened. There's been an earthquake, and if we look at history repeating itself, one of the areas of grave concern for Japan, for very obvious reasons, is the issue of nuclear power. It's a country that's dominated by nuclear power, and the last tsunami in Japan resulted in the catastrophe at Fukushima, big environmental problems there and spills of radiation, etc., etc. And the net effect of that, of course, is to put pressure on the uranium industry. After all, uranium is what goes into powering many nuclear plants around the world. So where is the trade? Well, we've seen the earthquake, and the first signs are that there's a tsunami likely to be in the wings. Hopefully nothing serious, we would hope and pray for. But the impact on sentiment that that's likely to have in terms of towards anti-nuclear focus for Japan, again, is likely to depress uranium trading. And so looking for short opportunities in the uranium sector is likely to be a lucrative play for anyone that's active in the markets. And I share this with you because it's a live case study. The news broke last night about the earthquake, and we've yet to see what the after effects of that truly are going to be. But as a trader and investor, if you're going to be active in the marketplace, being able to join those dots between that news flow and a successful trading opportunity is critical. Now, of course, that's if you're an active trader. The number one strategy that we espouse, cash flow on demand, our covered call strategy, is one that is less active than that. So it isn't something that requires you all the time to be flicking and flacking with news that you see in markets. It's a more passive strategy than that, and that's something that appeals to so many people out there. However, if you are an active trader and you follow markets, what we've just given you is a bit of a game plan and a heads up for the day. Remember, you create your future wealth today by the actions that you take today. So learning how to join those dots and connect news flow to the ability to be profiting the markets is absolutely critical. Good luck with the trades if you get involved with them, and I look forward to spending some time with you. Cheers.